And second, the condition of the mother, health condition.
Yeah.
Abortion does not mean haram.
Oh, okay. He said haram.
But if the mother condition, health condition, cannot take the pregnancy, you have to do the abortion. Otherwise, the mother's life is threatened.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean abortion is legal as well. It depends on the situation. Yeah? If the life of the mother is threatened, then abortion is legal.
According to our law.
Yeah?
According to our law.
Not according to our law, morally.
Oh, morally. Oh, okay.
Morally.
Morally.
I have question, Pranamsa. I have question. How about teenager? About now?
Nah, the
Because
problem
in this era.
we cannot accept
Yeah.
because they are doing it, yeah, simply because they don't want to take risk.
Or responsibility.
No responsibility. They do it shortcut.
Yeah.
We cannot tolerate it
Yeah.
for the teenagers, yeah, for doing the abortion. Yeah.
But you have a blame about the parent forward the education to
The,
about
yeah,
thing.
but nowadays it's different.
More different.
You cannot regulate the children today.
Oh,
Yeah, it's different. Yeah,
different era.
different era. So you guys learning English, yeah? I do support you. I told your instructors here, you may use any single room here. You want to get inside, you go inside.
Yeah.
You want to use the office, learning while sitting on the desk and the table, use it. As long as we are not using it. For me, the most important thing, everybody learns English. You cannot do anything in your future without English.
Correct. Yeah.
Cannot. Just cannot. All aspect of life today, the instruction are English. So somehow you have to learn it. Okay?
Maybe question for yes, not.
I just wanna thank Bro for his generosity for.
Oh yeah. The whole people inside the mosque are very open to everybody who wants to study. Okay, that's the most important. Basic principle. And second, since you're learning English, I fully support you.
Alhamdulillah.
You see, at the university, so many professors,
Yeah.
so many doctors.
Cannot speak English.
You know what they say? Oh, kita ini itu budaya timur lebih baik dia daripada bicara. It's not budaya timur, it's a bodoh.
Culture stupid, huh?
Bodoh. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mah?